La Curacao, Olympic and Union, Sunday night. You know where we're going. I don't know why it's chilling with the fucking... Nah, it's treatment of animals. Right in the middle, right in the middle. Prime location. El Gato. This is the Curacao building. Licuados en bolsita. Pastas, Mr. Cat. Oh, I think I've seen this dude on TikTok. Funnel cakes. Aguas carnal. There it is. You wanted to see stuff that wasn't food, right? Crepas, crepes, pupusas, soda fries, Big Davy, of the world ice cream. Ooh, what's up, dog? Costillitas. Pork, potato beef. Emo cash. Nice. Nice. That's a lot. Tlayudas. Así cajeta. Churros. Nice. Honey crisp. Stuff for sale as well. These, no. There's huaraches. Yep, huaraches. Very nice. Teriyaki. See, look, that display right there. Money. Nobody else has had something display like that. It's nice too. Got a Brazilian skewers right here. Yeah, I had some when it rained too. What is that? Tortas? No. Hoagies? Tortas salvadoreñas. Interesting. I've never had tortas salvadoreñas. Tostilocos? Oh, mariscos. No alcohol. Maybe. Oh, that's smart right there. Sugar cane. Yummy. That looks good. ¿La qué? La herencia. Oh, what is this right here? Dragon Crunch.
Ese tiene camarón, cangrejo, aguacate y cream cheese.
Ooh, looks fucking bomb. ¿Cómo se llama este?
626.
Oh, okay. You wanna try it? What is it? Thick to thick. Look fucking sad. Got a few shops. Candies. Alright, got some cigarette products, tobacco. Super gummy bros. fruta, pasos locos, mangos, mango on a stick. ¿Quieres un original o Oreo? The lady hasn't noticed yet. Davies hamburgers. Chorizo. Merengón. Baked by Star. Pollo hondureño. Fresas con crema. What up, dog? Cajun shrimp. Salutitos with the papa. Estilo Mexico. Churros. Oh, those are like buñuelos or what?